There are 5 ways to execute a trade in the foreign exchange market. So you have market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. Let's head over to a live chart to go over this together. All right, so market execution is when your trade is active as soon as you press buy or sell. So it's active at the current price. So let's just say price is at the 4437.848. When you press buy, your trade is going to be active. And if you're trying to sell at this level, once you press sell, it's active. Now let's talk about limit orders and stop orders. All right, so let's start off with the buy limit. So a buy limit order is a pending order that is activated below the current market price. So here we have the current price. You would put your numbers below this price. So in this example, this is 4429.143. Okay, 4429.143. So this is what you would enter into your trading app as a buy limit order. So when price comes down to this level, to this number, your trade is active. You would also set your TP and your stop loss areas. Now, the point of this is to get in at a lower number. The lower, the better. So if you want to buy for gold, you want to get in at the lowest price possible. And the reason why you want to get in at the lowest price possible is because this will avoid drawdown, this will avoid you blowing your account, and you'll make more money. All right. For a sell limit order, it's a pending order that is activated above the current market price. Okay, here's current price. You would put your number above current price to sell for a sell limit order. So you would put 4446.436. And when price pulls up to that number, your trade is active, and then you would ride the trade down. You would take the sell down. Okay. And again, the higher for a sell, the better, because you'll make more money, you'll avoid drawdown, and you'll avoid blowing your account. Now let's do buy stops and sell stops. So a buy stop order is a pending order that is activated above the current market price. Current price right here. If you want to catch the momentum or catch the trend that's pushing, you would set a buy stop order. Okay, so when price reaches this number, let's say this is where you put your buy stop order, it'll activate here and then it'll keep pushing. Okay, so you'll catch the rest of the trend. So this number here would be 4446.823. If you put buy stop order and you put in these numbers 4446.823, when price gets to that level, you would be active in the trade and you would continue the trend to the upside. Now, I personally don't do this. Okay, I don't trade like this, but this is an option. Now let's do sell stop. Yes, sell stop. A sell stop order is a pending order that is activated below the current market price. So very similar to a buy stop, but this is of course in the opposite direction. So your trade would activate here, okay, and you would catch the momentum. You would catch the rest of the move. All right, cool. Hope this video